Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the Dreame X40 Ultra, a robotic vacuum that's here to redefine what hands-free cleaning really means. With its 1-200 0 PA suction, a liftable mop, and self-cleaning features, this device is packed with everything you could possibly want in a smart cleaner. So, is it worth the hype? Let's get right into it and find out. So, let's talk about the key features you'll love. It's a powerhouse. 1-200 0 PAL of suction means it doesn't just pick up crumbs. It tackles dirt, pet hair, and debris with ease. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, the X40 Ultra gets the job done. The mop on this vacuum is a total game changer. It lifts automatically when moving onto carpets, so no wet messes on your rugs. Plus, it's removable, making cleaning or swapping it out ridiculously simple. Here's where it gets fancy. The X40 Ultra doesn't just mop, it cleans itself. Using 150A DEF heat, it washes the mop and the onboard washboard so you don't have to. It's hygienic, efficient, and completely hassle-free. The docking station is like the brain of this operation. It empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and keeps the vacuum charged so it's always ready to go. Talk about convenience. This vacuum adapts beautifully to every surface. The liftable brushes adjust to carpets and hard floors, while the side brush ensures it gets those tricky edges and corners. The X40 Ultra doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. It transitions seamlessly between floor types, delivers streak-free mopping on hard surfaces, and handles carpets like a pro. Plus, the real-time mop lifting during transitions works like magic. So let's weigh the pros and cons, starting off with the pros. Powerful suction that picks up even the tiniest particles. Automatic mop lifting that saves you from wet carpets. Self-cleaning and auto-maintenance features for minimal effort. So what could be better? Let's look at the cons. It's definitely a premium ed option. The size of the dock might take up more space than you'd like. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After considering the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, I'm giving it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Losing a little for the price, but the performance is unbeatable. So, is the Dreame X40 Ultra worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a premium, no-compromise cleaning solution. With its advanced features and near-effortless maintenance, this vacuum is perfect for busy households or anyone who just hates cleaning. What do you think? Could this be your next cleaning companion? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check the link for more details.